Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy DeFi protocols with Binance USA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Binance USA website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to complete your registration. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Binance USA account. Complete the identity verification process as required for trading. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section in the main menu. Select your preferred cryptocurrency to purchase. Choose your payment method and enter the amount you wish to buy. Confirm your purchase to add the cryptocurrency to your wallet. Next, go to the Wallet section to view your assets. Identify the cryptocurrency you wish to use for DeFi protocols. If needed, transfer your cryptocurrency to a supported exchange wallet. Visit the website of the DeFi protocol you want to use. Connect your Binance wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Select Binance Smart Chain as your blockchain network if applicable. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your wallet and the DeFi platform. Once connected, navigate to the specific service you wish to use, such as staking or lending. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to deploy in the protocol. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Check the status of your transaction to ensure it is successful. You can now explore the features of the DeFi platform you have deployed on. Monitor your investments regularly for any updates or changes in the protocol. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.